Bots and Drones, and today I have with me Mr. Rohit Pandey, the technical head from Suryoday Aerial Vehicles.
Hello.
It's a pleasure talking to you. We really want to know more about this wonderful looking technology that you have placed on display out here. Could you take us through something, please?
Yeah, please. Yeah, sure. So this one is our first drone. So Suryoday came into formation in March 2023 and we came into physical being in last year January, and since then we have started working on the agricultural platform. So this particular drone that we have started now, it is DGCA certified, ready to be sold in the market, and we have started working and selling this product in the market. It is a 10-liter payload capacity drone which can run up to 23 minutes of endurance, and it can take up to 3 acres of land in one go of battery charge. So this particular drone is right now it is costing around 4.7 lakh rupees. It is negotiable price with 2 set of batteries we are providing and a high-end charger that can charge the battery in 1 hour. And so this particular drone that we have developed has special features of non-Chinese flight controller and GPS. So it is good in quality and it is one of the most stable drone in the market. Those are available right now in the market for, I'm talking about our competitors, high-end competitors, and it is having more stability, better stability if comparative to them. So it can also take granular load if you have urea or other type of pesticides to be put upon crops. That particular type of payload capacity also it has.
So you are selling the product, you are manufacturing and selling the product, or you are also operating and providing
So
a
no,
service?
right now we are only the manufacturer and we are selling the drone itself, and we are selling it to dealers, and we are applying for government tenders to fill in. And we are not into services right now. Maybe in future we will start with services also, but presently we are selling the drones directly to dealers or to farmers as it is. Next year we are also coming up with the version 2, that is only in 99,000 rupees we are launching. Every component of that particular drone is an indigenous component, and that will be directly to the B2C market. This particular drone is for the B2B market, for dealers and those people who are giving services to farmers, because it is a high-end technology and it is little costly, so it is fit for B2B. But now the next version that we are launching is for B2C purposes, which is at the very least of the cost.
The B2C model that you are launching, is that already type certified?
Yeah, that is into type certification process and into patent process. That's why we have not bought it today. Yet the patent is supposed to be done for it. Each and every component is an in-house development in background. So that's why that is a different technology.
And that's 100% made in India?
Yes.
All components?
You can say so, but the like the secondary components that we are talking about, which are not manufactured in India, such as the chip manufacturing is not there in India. Only those components are taken not from nearby neighboring countries, but from other countries. So
Like
that
Taiwan?
is like
Taiwan?
Taiwan and US. So that is why it's like that.
One is among the best.
So that version is more better. But this one is our first product. It's good to go, and it is good for giving services and fit to the market right now. This is hit in the market. Even if you make a little different design, farmers won't introduce it to themselves. They don't like it much. So this one is that fitment to the market. The second product that we are talking about is our surveillance copter.
Okay.
And this is actually used for surveillance purposes and surveying and mapping purposes. So if you need to create any survey for any land or any villages or any construction or any pipeline or any high tension lines, like those type of surveillance can be done. Even for army, we are yet to go with the high altitude testing, which is next month. We are waiting for a high altitude testing. So we are expecting it to run at 17,000 feet of AMSL, that is above mean sea level of height. For 500 meter AGL, that is above ground level, that height we have already achieved in this particular drone.
500 meters.
500 meters. But for AMSL, that means if suppose the above mean sea level in the mountain region where the winds are very tight, at that place it is supposed to run. We have already tested it at 36 km per hour of speed of wind when the wind is there. In that particular wind it is very stable. So this particular drone can take high winds, it can take all type of weathers also, and we are fitting it for defense purposes for that particular type of application. Second, it is equipped with two types of camera. One is the surveillance and surveying and mapping that I am talking about, which has 20x optical zoom, just like a DSLR camera. The second one is a thermal drone, that thermal camera that we are having. If you can see, it will come in the images also later. That thermal drone, it can, from a distance of 400 meters, it can check the temperature of any body, any heated body which is there. If suppose fire or something, or hit somebody hidden in the bushes, that thermal camera can detect. Human can be detected from a distance of 2,400 meters. They can be recognized from a distance of 1500 meters. Vehicles can be detected from 2,400 meters of distance. That is, it can be detected from 2.5 kilometers of distance. So that
Nighttime also.
Nighttime also.
You use
It has
thermal imaging.
This product.
Yeah, so this particular drone is fit at 15 lakh rupees right now for military purposes, and if we are going for surveillance and mapping purposes, it is fit at 10 lakh.
Have you sold any units of this?
No, this is
particular?
under DGCA approval. Before DGCA approval, we are not selling. We are not allowed to sell right now.
When is it anticipated?
By June to July, this DGCA approval will be finished.
And what about this
This
one?
one
How
has
many
already
units?
finished. Yeah, this one is last 2 weeks before only it has finished our DGCA approval. It is finished for this particular drone, and 20 units are yet to go into the market. That is already we have taken.
20 units are pre-ordered.
Are pre-ordered, yes.
And what is the production capacity
So
of currently?
production capacity right now we are expecting to be 35 to 50 per month. That is what production capacity we are expecting, and it will be enlarged scale in the future as much as we are going to get more orders.
Where is your manufacturing facility?
So manufacturing facility is in Faridabad, and our head office and sales office is in Delhi, Jassol.
What about the employee strength? How many people are there?
Right now we have 25 people in R&D, and only the research and development. We have around 10 to 15 people for production and 10 to 15 people for sales and marketing.
So most of your team is concentrated in research and
Research and
development.
development, yes.
Both your products are patented.
Both the products, yes. We have one more version of this that I said, and one more version of this yet to come, but yet patent is to be done. So maybe next Brahmathon it will be there.
What about the rotors? Are they also patented? They are in-house made or they
So
are?
this one is like off-the-shelf bought market products are there. So the rotors are made in India only for our second version. They are made in India. The propulsion system completely is made in India in second version.
Wonderful. So how many propellers do you have?
It has 6, yes. It's a hexacopter.
Wonderful.
Since our product is good in cost, because we are working on our own flight controller and our GPS and our own remote controller. That's why we are able to bring down the cost. So those three electronic components which are not manufactured by much of, I think 1 or 2 market players are there yet for that. And we are making good quality product in that. That's why in future all the drones will have our own indigenous electronics also.
Would you say that is your USP or would
Yes.
you like to point out another?
So like those components are a subcomponent of the particular drone. So that will be sold individually also when required to, because the market has to expand for all the companies. So we will be selling them individually also. But that they are the subcomponents, so all the drones will have those components and bring down the cost as a competitor in the market.
Wonderful. Quite an insightful chat that we had here, and we